Understanding HIPAA, protecting healthcare information and streamlining processes. HIPAA stands for the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, a U.S. federal law that establishes regulations to protect the privacy and security of healthcare information. It also facilitates the smooth exchange of healthcare data while ensuring patients' rights over their personal health information. Protect patient privacy. Ensure the confidentiality of patients' health information. Improve data security. Safeguard electronic health information against breaches. Streamline healthcare processes. Standardize electronic healthcare transactions. Facilitate health insurance portability. Protect individuals' access to health insurance when they change or lose jobs. HIPAA consists of several rules and provisions, but the most important for healthcare providers, payers, and patients are: Purpose: protects patients' medical records and other protected health information. Fee: key requirements. Fee includes any information that can identify a patient, example name, address, medical history, social security number. Healthcare entities must obtain patient consent before sharing fee unless it is for treatment, payment, or healthcare operations. Patients have the right to access their medical records, request corrections to inaccurate information, know how their information is used or shared. Purpose: sets standards for securing electronic protected health information, EPHI. Key requirements: healthcare entities must implement administrative, physical, and technical safeguards to protect EPHI. Examples include encryption of data, secure access controls, example passwords, multi-factor authentication, regular audits and risk assessments. Purpose: mandates healthcare organizations to notify individuals and authorities in the event of a data breach. Key requirements: individuals must be informed if their fee is compromised. Breaches affecting 500 or more individuals must be reported to the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, and media outlets. Purpose: establishes penalties for non-compliance with HIPAA regulations. Key points: penalties range from $100 to $50,000 per violation, depending on the severity and intent. Willful neglect without correction can result in criminal charges. Purpose: standardize electronic healthcare transactions. Key points: requires providers to use specific code sets, example ICD-10, CPT, and transaction formats for claims and payments. Purpose: assigns unique identifiers to healthcare providers, employers, and health plans to streamline administrative processes. The National Provider Identifier, NPI.